J. Harvey's Grill here at the Humble Flea Market. They set up here this Saturday. As you see, a few vendors are here. Here at the flea market, we got about 25 vendors selling fine arts. This is on 1960 in Humble.